9 simple steps to financial freedom before age 30. Being financially secure before you reach age 30 may seem out of reach for many people in their 20s, but it is possible. Working toward financial security not be an exercise in self-deprivation, though many people assume it to be. Attaining this goal even has some immediate benefits, given that financial insecurity can be a serious source of stress. The following are 10 steps to consider to achieve financial freedom before you turn 30. Stay tuned. Number 1. Track your spending. Knowing how much you spend and on what keep you spending in check. A free budgeting app like Mint can help you do this. You might discover that ordering in food several times a week costs more than $300 a month, or recurring charges for streaming services and subscriptions you never use are a waste of your hard-earned money. If you can afford to spend hundreds a month on ordering in, great. If not, you have just discovered an easy way to save your money, in addition to cancelling those streaming services you forgot you had. Number 2. Live within your means. Keep your standard of living below what your earning can accommodate. As you advance in your career and gain more experience, your pay should increase. But rather than using this excess income to buy new toys and live a more luxurious lifestyle, the best move is to put the money toward reducing debts or adding to savings. If the cost of your lifestyle lags behind your income growth, you always have excess cash flow that can be put toward financial goals or an unexpected financial emergency. Number 3. Don't borrow to finance a lifestyle. Borrowed money should be used when your gain will outrun your borrowing cost. This might mean investing in yourself, for your education, to start a business, or to buy a house. In these cases, borrowing can provide the leverage you need to reach your financial goals faster. On the other hand, using credit for a lifestyle you can't afford is a losing proposition when it comes to building wealth, and the added interest expense of borrowing further increases the cost of the lifestyle. Number 4. Set short-term goals. Life holds many uncertainties, such as an economic crisis or the loss of a job, and much can change between when you are in your 20s and, let's say, 40 years later, when you may retire. At that time, the process of planning far into the future can seem daunting. Rather than setting long-term goals, set a series of small short-term goals that are both measurable and precise. For example, paying off credit card debt within a year, or contributing to a retirement plan with a set of contributions each month. If you set goals, you will have a better chance of achieving them than you would if you merely said you wanted to pay down debt, but failed to set a timetable. Even the process of writing down some goals can help you to achieve them. Importance of setting goals. As you achieve short-term goals, will help you reach your longer-term goals, such as having a solid nest egg when you retire. Number 5. Become financially literate. Making money is one thing, but saving it and making it grow is another thing. Financial management and investing are lifelong endeavors. Taking the time and effort to become knowledgeable in the areas of personal finance and investing will pay off throughout your life. Making financial and investment decisions is important for achieving your financial goals. Number 6. Save what you can for retirement. When you are in your 20s, retirement likely seems a lifetime away, and planning for it may be the last thing on your mind. If you can take a few steps now to start saving, compounding will work in your favor. Even a small amount saved early in your life can make a big difference in your future. Building a retirement nest egg becomes more difficult the longer you wait. Try setting up automatic monthly contributions to a retirement plan. If you implement the pay yourself first idea, you won't have to worry about how much you are contributing. The most important thing here is to develop the habits of saving, because saving is the bridge between investing money and multiplying money. Saving will also help you to grab any financial opportunity whenever they arise. Number 7. Take calculated risk. Taking calculated risks when you are young can be a prudent decision in the long run. You might make mistakes along the way, but when you are young, you have more time to recover from them. Examples of calculated risks include: Number 1, moving to a new city with more job opportunities. Number 2, going back to school for additional training. Number 3, taking a new job at a different company for less pay but more upside potential. Number 4, investing in high risk or high return stocks. As people get older, some may assume more responsibilities, such as paying down a mortgage or saving for a child's education. It is easier to take risks when you have fewer responsibilities. Number 8, invest in yourself. Look at yourself as a financial asset. Investing in yourself will pay off in the future. Your skills, knowledge, and experience are the biggest assets you have now. Increase your value by continually upgrading your skills and knowledge, and by making smart career choices. Though this investment often starts with going to college or a trade school, keeping skills up to date and learning new ones that are in high demand can help make you a more attractive and higher paid part of the workforce. Investing in yourself to continue over the course of your lifetime. Number 9, find the right balance. Striking a proper balance between your life today and the future is also important. Financially, we can't live as if today is our last day. We have to decide between what we spend today versus what we will spend in the future. For example, set a short-term goal to save for a trip to a destination you have always wanted to see, instead of using a credit card to finance it. Finding the correct balance is an important step toward achieving financial security. Summary. Number 1, know how much you spend can keep spending in check. Number 2, live within your means. Don't use credit to fund a lifestyle, and set short-term achievable financial goals. Number 3, become financially literate and save what you can for retirement. Number 4, take calculated risks, such as moving to a new city with more job opportunities, or taking on a new job that pays less but has more upside potential. Number 5, invest in yourself by continuously upgrading your skills and knowledge. Number 6, strike a balance. Working toward financial security doesn't mean you need to deprive yourself. Great people, this is the end of the video. If you are getting any value from this video so far, please kindly subscribe to the channel now and click the notification bell for more videos. God bless you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video in order to appear and save more lives. You can also save destiny. And please kindly comment below. We want to know what you think about this video in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Keep growing, keep winning, keep achieving. God bless you.